Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to add the new slide in Google Slides. Okay, so let's get started. Let's try to open the Google Slides by going to the Google Chrome, and here you can see the Google Apps icon. So click on that. So just scroll down and here you can see the slides. Okay, so once you click on that, you will be redirected to the Google Slides, and here you can see so many options like blank presentation, your big idea, photo album, wedding, portfolio, and all. Okay, suppose if you want to make a presentation and if you are preparing for the PPT means, so click on this blank presentation. So once you open this presentation tab, and suppose here you can see only one slide. Okay, and suppose if you want to add the new slide means, for that what you can do is like you can press Control M in your keyboard, or you can just go to the insert option, click on insert, and here you can see the option called new slide. Okay, so once you click on the new slide, the new slide will be added. Okay, so this is how you can add the new slide in Google Slides. Okay, and suppose if you want to change the layout means, here you can see so many options like you can change the layout like whichever the way you want the new slide or the blank slide means, this is how you can just select and you can just add the new slide. Okay, so here you can see the blank slide, and here you can see the big number, main points, section, title, description, caption, and all. Okay, so this is how you can add the new slide in Google Slides. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.